Morning, children, welcome to the another class of English Literature Chapter 8 A Trip to Mars Part 2. Children, in previous video we learned Captain Gina had gone into outer space several times in a spacecraft with other astronauts and scientists. But this time it was different. She took a small robot with her and she collected rocks and soil from there. Now, children, let's continue with the story. Chapter 8 A Trip to Mars Part 2. Children, before we start with this story, I would like to discuss some new words which will help you understand this chapter better. First, surface, the flat top or outer part of something. Next, hatch door, a special kind of door found in ships or spacecrafts. Next, space suit, a garment worn by astronauts in outer space. Next, air tank, a large barrel where air is stored to be used later. Next, the two moons of Mars. Just like the Earth has a moon which goes around it, the planet Mars has two moons which go around it. Now come to this paragraph. Oh wow, I can see the two moons of Mars, Captain Jenna said eagerly to herself. She then landed the spacecraft on the planet's surface. As she looked out of the window, she became very excited about finally reaching Mars. She couldn't wait to start her work. Children, in this paragraph, so what was the first thing she saw when she reached Mars? She saw two moons of the Mars. Just like the Earth has a moon which goes around it. And the planet Mars has two moons which go around it, she told eagerly to herself. And finally, what happened, children? She landed on the planet's surface. Now come to the next paragraph. Let me take my digging tool with me, she said. Then she opened the hatch door and got down from the spacecraft. Then what happened, children? Then what did she do? She took her digging tool and opened the hatch door and got down. Where, children? From where? From the spacecraft. Captain Jenna wore a special space suit which she had brought along with her. She also carried an air tank on her back to help her breathe, as she did not want to breathe the dangerous air on Mars. She looked at the surface of the planet and decided to walk far away from the spacecraft in search of rocks and soil. Mars is full of large and rocky hills, she said. Then what happened, children? Captain Jenna wore a spacesuit and also she carried what? an air tank because she did not want to breathe the dangerous air on Mars. And what did she decide? She decided to walk far away in search of what, children? Rocks and soil, because Mars is full of large and rocky hills. Children, till here we end. In the next video, I will be catching you up with the same story. That would be part 3.